Alright, let's start with a quick question. What if I told you there's a way to make your money work for you without lifting a finger, like literally earning cash while binge-watching your favorite Netflix show? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, here's the deal. It's not magic. It's called passive income, and one of the easiest ways to get it is through ETFs. Today, I'm breaking down the best ETFs for passive income that'll have your portfolio looking like it just hit the gym, strong, steady, and growing. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for the last one because it's a personal favorite and a total game changer. Now let's jump right into it. First on the list is Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF VYM. If you're looking for a solid, no-nonsense ETF, this is your guy. VYM focuses on high-quality dividend-paying companies. Think Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. These are the companies that pay you just for owning their stock. It's like having a friend who sends you money every few months just because they like you. With a current yield of around 3%, it's perfect for anyone who wants a steady income stream without worrying about high risk. Next up, we've got Schwab US Dividend Equity ETFs CHD. Now, if VYM is the dependable friend, SCHD is the overachiever who gets all A's and still finds time to volunteer. This ETF focuses on dividend-paying companies with strong financial health. It's low cost, tax efficient, and offers a solid yield of about 3.5%. Plus, Schwab knows how to keep it simple and effective, which is why SCHD is a favorite among income investors. Think of it as your reliable go-to for passive income. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about iShares Select Dividend ETF, DVY. This ETF takes a more selective approach, focusing on companies with a consistent history of paying dividends. It's like only inviting the MVPs to your party. DVY typically has a higher yield than VYM and SCHD, hovering around 3.7%, making it a great choice for investors who want to maximize their passive income without taking on too much risk. For those of you looking to spice things up a bit, check out Global X Super Dividend ETF, SDIV. Now, fair warning. This one's a bit riskier, but it also comes with higher rewards. SDIV focuses on high-yielding stocks from all over the world. It's like the United Nations of dividends, and with a yield that's often above 7%, it's hard to ignore. Just keep in mind that higher yield can come with higher volatility, so don't put your rent money here, okay? And finally, let's not forget Invesco Preferred ETF, PGX. This ETF focuses on preferred stocks, which are kind of like a hybrid between regular stocks and bonds. They pay higher dividends than most stocks, but they're less volatile. With a yield of around 5.5%, PGX is perfect for anyone who wants a middle ground between steady income and manageable risk. Think of it as the chill, dependable option in your portfolio. So there you have it, 5 of the best ETFs for passive income. Whether you're looking for steady dividends, higher yields, or a little global flair, there's something here for everyone. The best part? Once you invest, you can sit back, relax, and watch those dividend payments roll in while you focus on literally anything else. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments which ETF caught your eye. And don't stop here. Subscribe so you never miss out on tips to make your money work harder. Let's grow that portfolio together. See you in the next one.